1055 Harwood Street is a 3.5-story, 28-unit stacked townhouse market rental development project located in Vancouver, BC, Canada. The property is a total of 17,291 square feet, with 197 feet of frontage along Southwest Marine Drive. The property is being rezoned from R11 to CD1. The development application was first applied on June 30th, 2022, and a public hearing was held on January 23rd, 2024. This property's school catchment area is Lord Roberts Elementary and King George Secondary. The developer is GWL Realty Advisors Inc. on behalf of Harwood Street Project Nominee Inc. and the architect is Stuart Howard Architects. If you are an organization that would like to provide products or services to this or other projects, we can help you get connected. Please sign up with the link in the description, the QR code at the end of this video, or join our Discord.